I've been researching companies since the early 90s, so over 34 years. I never found a PE for a high-quality company to be at 22 times, let's say for Mag 7, to be a demanding multiple. Again, I think if you're talking about price for perfection, it really has to be stocks where you have to back into the NPV of 100% earnings growth forever. Today, market breadth's actually pretty good. Yep. Even in NASDAQ, we have stocks that are up. Year-to-date, we have 3 weeks in, and year-to-date, Bitcoin's outperforming, small caps outperforming financials. So I think the market does look pretty healthy. I would say it's also very encouraging that if we can close on the S&P above 5881 by the end of this week, it really solidifies that 2025 is going to be probably a double-digit gain year.
Tech.
I think financials, to me, represent a pretty good fundamental case of change this year because we have a new administration, a Fed that is dovish, yields that aren't painful for banks, and at a time when it could lead to upside for capital markets activity and multiples are low. So I think financials remain our number one S&P sector idea. I do think markets tend to overreact. And again, unless we're on the cusp of a recession, this pullback in NVIDIA is going to prove to be a buying opportunity as well. And there's a lot of uncertainty going into January FOMC because last month it really caused markets to rethink the probability of a hike. But the probability of a hike for 2025 now stands at 27%. I think that's an extraordinarily high probability. I think there's a chance the Fed sounds more dovish than market expects.